Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video we are going to be examining I repeat 7, the top 7 DESCRIPT alternatives, that is best AI video editing tools in 2025 apart from DESCRIPT. So let's get started. Are you struggling to find the best video editing tool? And you've tried DESCRIPT and it might not be the right fit for everyone. Some people love it, some don't. Now if you've tried it and it's not the right fit for you, or you're tired of limited features, high prices, or a steep learning curve, don't settle for mediocre video editing software. Instead, join us as we show you the top 7 DESCRIPT alternatives in 2025. You see, these AI-powered tools offer innovative features, user-friendly interfaces, and affordable pricing, empowering you to create professional quality videos effortlessly. We know that DESCRIPT helps you to create studio quality content 10 times faster, and the AI magic makes it possible. But these are the best alternatives. The first one we have is InVideo AI. This is InVideo AI. It's a one-stop shop for creating stunning videos in a flash. It is packed with templates, music, and even AI magic to make your videos pop. And you don't need to be a tech whiz. InVideo is super easy to use. This is it. Generates AI videos with just a text, transform your imagination into eye-catching videos, stand out, succeed, and create content that is ready to share and build to stand out. You can generate it now, no credit card needed. This is an example. Very nice. This is the script. You have live voices, stunning visuals. AI makes it possible. AI video generator generates AI videos without a learning curve. Someone said generate a 5-minute YouTube video of a man traveling through time, and he did it. So you can type your idea, add the specifics like length, platform, voiceover, essence, and get AI generated videos that put your ideas into focus. You can create now by clicking on create now. Edit videos with a text prompt. You can edit your videos with the magic box on InVideo AI. Give simple commands like change the accent, delete scenes, or add a funny intro, and watch your videos come to life. This is it. So you can create now AI generated images and videos. Looks menacing, yes, unbelievable. So you can unleash your creativity with AI video generator. Get published ready videos effortlessly. So it's very good. This is another example of it. This is another example. This is another example. You have human sounding voiceover to bring your videos to life. And you have the right plan for the right price. We have free version, which is right for free, and then we have the yearly version here. You have the plans, $8 per month, maximum of $48 per month. So we have so many plans here, and it's really good. So the second on our list is CapCut. CapCut is the second on our list, and under CapCut, most people already know what CapCut is, but for those of you who don't know, it's a video editing powerhouse also. It has a mobile version and the PC version. It's packed with features and effects to make your videos stand out on social media. So if you're thinking about TikTok trend, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, CapCut has got you covered. It is the ultimate tool for creating eye-catching videos on your mobile device. It's perfect for social media enthusiasts and those who want to stay on top of the latest trend. While it might be a bit much for beginners, the free price tag and impressive features makes it a must-try for everyone. It has mobile design, like I told you. It has a PC version. It has trending effects and filters, intuitive interface, music library with a huge selection of tracks, and free to use with no watermarks whatsoever. And it is free, but you have some in-app purchases if you want for effects and filters. It's completely free, easy to use on mobile device, packed with creative tools and effects, and great for social media videos. But it's not as powerful as the desktop video editors, and it's limited to mobile devices. For some, it's not limited to the mobile devices. I have it on my PC, so it was limited to the mobile devices, but now we have it on the PC. So that's for CapCut. You can download by clicking on download. You can try the AI generator Top AI tools. You can try for free. AI voice generator. CapCut Commerce Pro. You can try for free. Smart tools, high efficiency. Tells you can move background, video stabilization, super slow motion, AI color correction, video upscaler, resize video, portrait generator, script to video. You can move the background like this accurately. Powerful features and easy steps. For speech to text, automatically recognize different language and generate high accuracy captions to boost your editing efficiency. You can try for free. Text to speech, you can convert any text natural sounding speech with one click. 11 voices and 10 languages supported. You can use templates to quickly create your own ads. So it has so many great things you can do on it. So let's move on to the next one on our list, which is Vid. VEED. Vid. Vid is a great videos. Okay, Vid says great video starts with a plan. Try Vid with a free plan. You see, Vid is your browser-based video editing body. It got all the essential you need plus some cool extras. No download, no fuss. Just start editing right away. It's great for quick edits, social media videos, and even live streaming. It's a fantastic option for those who need a quick and easy video editing solution. It's perfect for social media content creators and teams who need to collaborate. The only downsides are the limitations of the free plan and the need to upgrade for advanced features. Key benefits: screen recording, green screen for creative effects, automatic subtitles for stability and engagement, real-time collaboration so it's for you to work with your team seamlessly, and it's browser-based for easy access anytime, anywhere. So we have the free plan. Basic plan $18 per month, pro plan $30 per month, business plan $70 per month, and enterprise you have to contact for pricing and details. So for the cons, it has limited free plans, so features feel clunky and not the best for creative video effects. So the next we have on our list, okay, let's go through it. This is a plan. I've already mentioned the plan. So we have the Leads plan, $9 per month, per editor per month, pro plan $24, and enterprise you talk to them. Trusted by lots of people, you can get it for free. Go Leads, go Pro, or talk to sales. These are the comparison of the plans and your benefits under them. So that's it on the Vid. Next we have is Pictoria. Now Pictoria is the easiest way to create professional videos for teachers. So you get to create content right marketers for other people, actually not just teachers, content marketers, digital marketers, and so many educational professionals and the rest of them. You can get started for free. You're able to get text to videos in minutes. Just write your script and it will generate the video for you. You can turn any URL into videos by pasting the URL here. You can transform long form videos into engaging branded clips. It automatically extract highlights from your Zoom, Teams, webinar and podcast recording and convert them into short branded video snippets, ideal for posting on social media. And then this can help you add captions for increased reach and watch time. And then we have, can help you turn your slides into videos with AI. Can help you turn your slides into videos with AI. So nice. Then next we have the team plan, where creativity means collaboration. It can empower your team to create and collaborate, share projects, assign roles, and work together in real time to produce videos that inspire. So it is your go-to tool for turning long-form content into captivating videos. It's like magic. Just feed a blog post or a script and voila, you've got a shareable video. It's perfect for proposing your content and reaching a wider audience. It's a game changer for content creators looking to propose their work into engaging videos. It's incredibly simple to use and produces high quality results. It has the AI voiceover. Let AI narrate your videos, showcase your brand, transform content into video, GPT video generator, and the rest of them. So let's move on to the next one, which is Flex Clip. We're going to examine Flex Clip next. Here you can turn your idea into video, AI video generator. Why should you choose Flex Clip? Because of high quality results, cost effective, saves you time, and you can bring any text or image to life. People, animal, cartoon, landscape, products, or real, you decide. Someone wrote a glamorous woman that sits on a snow-covered landscape wearing a sparkling jug, a crusted coat, a luxurious crown and oversized sunglasses striking a pose, and this is it. This and that one. A noble lady in a Victoria dress inspired by Easter celebrations with intricate details and textures in pastel colors and light shades of green. Her Easter inspired makeup enhances. You can see. So nice, and it's created the picture. This is the future year 2150. We have flying cars, and it's generated this. Transform your words into videos. Let's see if we can try it. Describe the video you want. Okay. Let's see if we can actually do this or not. Okay, text to video, standard, generate. We have to sign up first, generate. Okay, let's sign up to our email. The free code was sent. If we have to input 140592. That was fast. Then you click on continue, set up a password, and then click on sign up. It contains at least 10 characters. Okay, let's add more, and then click on sign up. Okay, generating. Estimated time, wait time is 5 to 10 minutes. Whoa, 5 to 10. We'll have to come back for this. So we'll come back to see what it has generated. In the meantime, the next one we have is Alter AI, and this one we have the plan, which is basic plan. This is way to try free. Then we have the business trial. So let's look at the easiest way. Let's get started and see what we get from Alter. Okay, we have to create account also. Let's use email again. I'll create account. We choose a password. Name of each character, one uppercase, one lowercase, numbers, and the rest. And click on next. So we need a first name. Click on next. So get automatic meeting notes. Alter will join, schedule Zoom, Google, Microsoft Meeting, and share notes with your calendar invited guests. Click on next. Don't know what's going on. Verify your email address. We'll get this for our email. I want to verify it. In case you're wondering what's going on, Alter AI is a powered transcription assistant. It's not a video editor in the traditional sense, but a lifesaver for transcribing interviews, meetings, and other audio or video recordings. And the accuracy is impressive. It even integrates with Zoom for live transcriptions. So it's an invaluable tool for anyone who needs accurate transcription. Why not a video editor? It's a fantastic complement to any video workflow, especially for interviews and meetings. And the free plan is a great way to test it out, and the paid plans offer generous transcription minutes and advanced features. The benefits are accurate AI transcription, live transcription, speaker identification, integration with other apps like Google Drive and Dropbox. It's really good. So we can also sign in with others and see what we can get from it. Because of our time, we're going to move on to the last one, which is Synthesia. Synthesia is an AI video creation platform for generating realistic videos with human presenters. It's perfect for creating explainer videos, training materials, and personalized video messages without the need for cameras, actors, or studies. Studio, sorry. Synthesia is a powerful tool for creating AI-generated video with human presenters. It's ideal for businesses and individuals who need to create engaging video content at scale. It's a bit pricey, but potential time and cost savings make it a worthwhile investment for certain use cases. It uses AI avatar to create It uses AI avatar to create lifelike video presentations, text-to-speech in multiple languages and voices, and it has customizable templates for different video styles. It has easy editing and collaboration too. Scalable solution for creating large volumes of videos. So this is generated from a click doc or just an idea with the help of AI. You can customize your video, collaborate, like I said, share and export. That's how it works. It's quite simple. Quite simple. Now let's go to pricing. We have, let's go for pricing. So we have the star pack where you pay $18 a month. We have the creator pack where you pay $64 a month. We have the enterprise where it is custom pricing. So you can also compare the prices by checking out this part. It's as simple as that. So at the end of the whole thing, don't forget that when you want to get any of them, you have to check the key features, check the ease of use, the pricing, the support or refund, and additional features. By carefully evaluating these factors, you should be able to identify the top DESCRIPT alternatives that excel in audio editing, software capabilities, and overall video editing performance. So choosing the perfect video editing tool can make a difference in your creative journey, whether you are a professional or just starting up. These alternatives we've explored offer a range of powerful features and user-friendly interfaces to help you edit video with ease. Remember that the best tool for you fully depends on your specific needs and budget. Hope to see you next time. See you in the next video. Bye.